Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Coming to question number 24, read the following statement and answer the question that follow. A guava fruit has 200 viable seeds. 200 viable seeds हैं. What are viable seeds? क्या होते हैं? Write the total number of pollen grains, gametes in producing 200 viable guava seeds. Prepare a flow chart to depict the post-pollination, that is after pollination events leading to viable seed production in a flowering plant. So first of all, viable seeds क्या होते हैं? Those seeds having the ability to germinate, give rise to a new plant. They are viable seeds. Pollen grains होंगे 200, gametes will be 400 male gametes and 200 female gametes. In total, 600 gametes are involved. Now, flow chart that represent post-pollination events leading to a viable seed production. क्या क्या होगा? Pollen grain will germinate on stigma, that is female part. Pollen grains are male and they will germinate on stigma. Then pollen tube carry करेगी male gamete to female gamete. Male gamete will get discharged near the egg. Syngamy और fusion होगी, that will lead to the formation of zygote. Then triple fusion होगी, ovule develop करेगा into seed. या फिर आप नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट कर सकते हो. अरेंज द फॉलोइंग हॉर्मोन्स इन सीक्वेंस ऑफ देयर सिक्रीशन इन अ प्रेग्नेंट वुमन. मेंशन देयर सोर्सेज एंड द फंक्शन परफॉर्म. हॉर्मोन्स कौन कौन से हैं? HCG, LH, FSH और रिलैक्सिन. सबसे पहले सीक्वेंस ऑफ देयर सिक्रीशन इन अ प्रेग्नेंट वुमन, FSH, देन LH, देन HCG and then relaxin. FSH, that is follicular stimulating hormone. इसका सोर्स क्या है? Anterior pituitary. Function is to stimulate follicular development. Next is LH, that is luteinizing hormone. Source is anterior pituitary. Function, primary function is to stimulate the formation of corpus luteum. Rupture करेगा Graafian follicle को and release of ovum into fallopian tube, that is ovulation करवाता है. Next is HCG, human chorionic gonadotrophin. Source is placenta. Function, it supports fetal growth. Metabolic changes होते हैं mother में and maintain करता है pregnancy को. Relaxin का source is ovary. Secretion by the ovary during later stage of pregnancy. कब सिक्रीट करता है? लेटर स्टेज ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी में. फंक्शन इज टू फैसिलिटेट पार्ट्यूरेशन बाय सॉफ्टनिंग द कनेक्टिव टिश्यू ऑफ सिम्फाइसिस प्यूबिका. सो दिस वाज क्वेश्चन नंबर 24.